Hello fam, how you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're just stopping by, I want to say a big thank you to my consistent subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome back to today's video. Yeah, today we're going to be making quick okra Ogbono soup recipe. Yeah, it's just going to have a little bit of okra, but it's going to be a light okra soup. You know that light Ogbono soup and okra. So I have some leftover head of fish, little pieces of fish here and there. So I'm going to be using it to get it done. So here I'm just rinsing out my fish. It's been nice and properly washed before now. Yeah, but just want to give it some touch, and then I'm going to bake it from the scratch and then use it for this soup. Trust me, this soup is going to be very delicious. So now I'm going to transfer my fish to the oven and let it grill while I go in with other stuffs to the pot. Here are my okra, I have onion, and then I have my blended stuffs and my oil. So let's go to the pot. So here I'll add my oil to the boiling meat stock. I already have my beef tripe going in. Yeah, I'm going to add my peppers. Add whatever kind of peppers you wish. Yeah, I've gone ahead to blend all these peppers, onion, garlic, and yeah, I'll put my ogbono, and then my stockfish, and then my shrimp. It's kind of sea soup. And then I'll put my Knorr Maggi, and then I'll add some little bit of Ogbono, break it in like so, and then I'll close it up and let it come to a boil. I'll add some Maggi, add some salt, some crayfish, and then my fish is ready, and I have some pieces of beef. I'll add some beef to the soup, add my fish. Trust me guys, it came out so delicious. This soup is going to be one of its kind. Try this. You know that quick soup that you make sometimes? Oh my goodness, you won't even imagine how tasty and delicious. Sometimes you want to try this kind of soup recipe, you will get the best out of it. That fish took it to a very delicious level. Yeah, how I wish I had enough fish. I wouldn't have added beef or chicken or even beef tripe. I would have, yeah, this is my chicken. I'll go in with my chicken like so. Stir. Let it all come to a nice mix. Yeah, guys, isn't this looking delicious already? Are you hungry? Stop by, come and eat. Yeah, hubby will soon be home, and then he will be served this beautiful deliciousness. I'm hungry already, but trust me, it didn't take me up to 5 minutes. Cover it up. After 15 minutes, add my okra, stir it up all together. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Here I'm gonna be adding some bitter leaf. Trust me guys. Oh, if you haven't been eating bitter leaf, you need to try bitter leaf. Oh yeah, bitter leaf is very good for your health. I just added a little bit of bitter leaf. Yeah, I'll add some kale. Oh my goodness, you know what kale can do for you, right? And some onion. Our soup is ready, guys. Close it up for a little bit. 60 seconds after, open up my pearl. This is what I got, guys. This is so delicious. Try this okra soup recipe. It didn't take me more than 5 minutes, and this soup was so speaking some American language, or is it Nigerian language? All right, guys, he was speaking both America and Nigerian language. We enjoyed it. It was so delicious. Yes. So guys, go ahead and try this. If you have watched it this time, you haven't subscribed, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And please try this soup recipe and let me know in the comment section how it all came for you, okay?
And I'll go